since I was a little boy. And I've never really knew what it was all about because it was just a tradition of going to church. It was a routine that from Sunday to Sunday, that's what you had to do. But now that since we have a new pastor, I would say a new pastor, a young pastor, he has changed a lot of my thinking as far as what church is all about. He has changed the way I live. He has changed the way I'm using the word to live by. I guess it's something like when Peter wanted to walk on the water and Jesus said, come. Peter didn't actually walk on water, he walked on the word come. And that's what I've learned, to walk on Jesus' word, to live in this word. Also, I found that I have a new family. He has gathered us together here, that we really genuine love that's in this house for one another, to care for one another. And not only do we care for one another in this house, but we care for those that's not even in the house. We don't help those in the house, we help those outside the house, or what we call church people. We find a way to help them too. I love this church, I love the way we're going, I love this ministry, because it's not the way we dress. I mean, we could dress and look good on a Sunday with suits and ties, but we dress to go to work. Just like I do at work, I dress for what I do at work, because I get down in the mud, and that's what we have to do here. We have to get down in the dirt. We have to move with the people and go where they're at, and not just wait for them to come here dressed up in suits and ties, because it's not about that. And with all we do, it is not for our glory, it's for His glory, because we have really found out that our purpose, that we are His sheep, and we are the workers of His vineyard, and it's to give Him glory and not glory for ourselves.